after you add or make a change to, say, an earthwork site or maybe a zone or a boundary, you can refresh the analysis. So if you select the analysis from the Project Explorer here, you'll see that now the refresh analysis command is activated. So when I select that, it will reprocess and rerun the analysis. And now you can see, based on a new waste site, it's going to re-display the location of the material that I would be moving. Again, if I was to come into this waste site here and look at its properties, you can see that only the capacity is maybe 5,000. So if I up the capacity to 7,500 and then rerun this analysis, then it'll bring in more material maybe to this site than it would to this site, if this site, you know, basically doesn't have the storage capacity that this one does. So it kind of helps you determine what is the best maybe location for your waste sites and how to move that material efficiently.